2021's Bowman's Best. Alright, let's match everybody up here. Sorry about that. Dice roll's a 9. There is a couple more boxes of this, unlike the Platinum Anniversary, so if this goes well and we want to do more, we can do more. Ninth and final 9. Oh, wait. Why are there 29 teams? We got to redo the team draw. Hello, Bratface. Unfortunately, we have to redo that. There was only 29 teams in the team draw. Let me just see here, make sure there's 30. All right, 30. Sorry about that. Haven't done your names yet, so it doesn't really matter. 9 times. Now we got 30. What's up, Bratface? Hope you've had a good weekend and start to your week. 9 times now, your names. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final 9. Good luck. 4 autos per box here, so 8 autos in the break. Get that alphabetized. Alright, obviously I haven't done this stuff in a minute. Should be some really good names on this checklist though, prospect-wise. Two autos per mini box. We'll do pack by pack. You got the mini boxes, you got the stickers on top of the mini boxes. The whole 9 yards with this product. Guess the last auto for a free spot in the next one. Apparently, Topps Chrome Breakers Delight was just added to the store. It's been a while since we've had it in. Topps Chrome Breakers Delight, Legend Autos, color. Good luck. Akil Badu rookie. Your mean Mercedes, the rookie craftsmanship. You put all these together and it formed like a cool photo. And there's another Your Mean Mercedes, the Yerminator. Looks like we got our first auto coming right here. Colton Cowzilla. Sixto out of 199. First auto of the break, numbered out of 150, Armando Cruz for the Nationals. Everything on card here, blue auto for Stone. 120 out of 150 and a Miggy refractor. Armando Cruz had the Soto looking photo. Yiddy. Alec Boehm rookie. He's turned into probably a top 3 rookie in this class. These die cuts are sick. The Jazz rookie die cut. Look at that, John Zilla. Jazzilla. I would say Jazz is the best rookie from this class. I'm biased, obviously. Love that card. Hunter Brown dealing. Was that 5 Ks? Auto number 2 for the Rays, Tanner Murray. Don't think Tanner Murray ever really panned out. Wander. This was like supposedly quote unquote Wander's rookie card. At the time when this product came out, what were these selling for, these cards? Wander base. Like 25 bucks? Dominguez, Future Vibrance, and a Jackson Merrill Refractor. Mr. Merrill. Atomic. Bring these back. Carson Williams. And a Julio Refractor. A young J-Rod. John Zilla. Got another auto coming here. Mountcastle rookie. Purple of Ke'Bryan Hayes at a 250. Campana. Still time for Ke'Bryan. I always thought he was going to be way better than he is. Taylor Walls. Rookie Refractor ink for the Rays. 2 autos for Darbhead and the Rays. There's a rookie refractor of Jared Kelenic. Bobby Dahlbeck, Bobby Witt. Let's see more Bobby Witt. Another Jazz rookie. Another die cut is Soda. There's some sweet die cuts. And an Aaron Judge refractor. Ha-Sung Kim rookie. Last auto box 1 for the Phillies. Nick Maton. 2 rookie autos in that mini box. There's a Mookie Betts refractor for the Dodgers. Feels like we definitely got room to improve on the autos. There's a Jimenez rookie refractor. Ke'Bryan Hayes Masterpieces rookie. Those are cool. Benny Montgomery and Pedro Leon. We got a Bobby Witt refractor on the back for starters. For the Marlins, it's Yiddy, numbered out of just 99. The fish going off. Iceberg Zilla. Yiddy. Green ink. Got another die cut. It is Henry Davis. Refractor Brady House. I think he's still only like 20 years old. At the time of this product, he was probably like 17. He struggled a little this year, but he's got some tools for sure. Toolsy, as they say. Christian Pache. Casey Mize. Uh-oh, we have a redemption. It's probably expired. Golds! Mike Trout Golds. Wow, Campana. Awesome, awesome. Let's put the Bogarts back in front here so we could sweat the expired redemption. Vladdy Jr. Refractor. Just a base auto of Aaron Zavala. All right, that expired at the end of last year. For the Rangers, Darbhead. Unfortunate. TBD. Atomic Bobby Witt. That's fire. Nice Campana. J-Dom. Key Brian. Kirilov. I don't know, Dorian. That's a good question. I can't even think who hit that. For the Marlins again, it's Yiddy again. John Zilla. Fish Zilla. Otani. Another die cut is J.D. Martinez. Why would I be mad at you, Zilla? I mean, Brad Face. Atomic masterpiece of Wander Franco. Should I even top load it? I mean, it's a cool card. Purple Vladdy Jr. for BB at a 250 and a Lava Auto of Cruz. So we got 2 Armando Cruz and 2 Yiddies. Interesting. Those are cool. The Lava Autos numbered out of 50. Stone. Well, I'm happy you hit something, Brad Face. I just added a couple more 5 stars within the hour if you're looking for specific teams, but that's awesome. Congratulations. Good luck to your Braves tonight. Last pack here, another Bobby Witt, a Jared Kelnick, and a Gleyber Torres. Nothing huge, but that was a fun break. Yeah, the Braves are amazing in 5-star. Seems like they are the one team that consistently is hitting every break. The Marlins and the Nats. And a very nice Mike Trout and some nice Bobby Witts.